Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Matrix. This is your host Bharat, and today we have a unique screen protector from Spigen. It's a Neo Flex screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Let's check it out. The NeoFlex for the Samsung Galaxy S8 costs 1299 INR for India, and I picked this up from Spigen.in, and I recommend buying Spigen products from there to get a genuine product and best deals. I'll also leave a code in the description exclusively for TechMatrix audience. Inside you get two of the NeoFlex screen protectors, one liquid bottle, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and some dust removal stickers are present as well. Firstly, you will need to be in an AC room preferably, or at least ensure there is no dust, and close all the doors and windows before you start, and wash your hands, and let's begin. First, take the phone, and if you have a Spigen case, put it inside the case just so you can get the precise placement. Clean the phone screen thoroughly with the provided microfiber cloth. Then take the liquid and put some on your hands. And next, peel the screen protector, and on the peeled side, which is to be placed on the phone, spray some liquid and place it on top of the screen. Ensure you align it now. Then once you have aligned it, then spray some on top of the screen guard and make a line with the squeegee in the center like here. This is to ensure that the screen guard doesn't jerk while squeezing out the liquid. Now from the center to the side, squeeze out the liquid from top to bottom on both sides like you see here. Now take the microfiber cloth and clean the phone screen, and now remove the phone from the case and clean it again to remove any bubbles. Now at this point, if you have any small patch of bubbles, don't worry, just leave it for a day and it will go off. If it doesn't, however, you can put the liquid on top and remove it and repeat the process again with the same screen guard, as it's reusable. Once done, you will see that the screen is clear and the screen guard looks great. Now for me, I'm just okay with this screen guard. I like tempered glass a lot more, but as it's a curved screen, not many cases fit with tempered glass, so this is a good option. So guys, what do you think about the Spigen NeoFlex screen protectors? Tell me in the comment sections below, and do let us know what screen protectors you use, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're not already done so for more such awesome and geeky videos. This is Bharat. Peace out.